AOJ coming very soon.
Smile, smile, smile. Baby like my smile, baby like my smile, baby like my smile, baby like my smile, baby like my smile. Style, style, style. Baby like my style, baby like my style, baby like my style, baby like my style, baby like my style. She said how long it take to get this fresh, a long, long while. She said she like my style, she said she know I hold it down. Cause I'm the realest nigga she know that's around. I'm the realest nigga she know, and I'm from out of town. That means when I touch down, I'm in the fucking end zone. I ain't quit on cause I'm in the game, and I'm playing for everything. And my name is KC, so you better know the name. I'm breaking the game, I rap in the closet, still killing shit. Nigga stop it, I will not stop it, I will keep driving. I don't got no park, all I got is fucking heart, and I'm feeling like the Joker. Hey. Stun on niggas just to make them upset. Stun on bitches just to make them undress. I'm up now, I'm up next. You can hate, but that won't stop the success. You can't stop me from being the best, cause nigga, I am blessed. I'm just a Midwest player, I'm just a pussy slayer. So many levels to me, I got layers. I'm just a paper chaser, so sharp, I cut the razor. So much static, I shock the taser. Smile, smile, baby like my smile, baby like my smile, baby like my smile, baby like my style, style, style. She know I hold it down, she know I hold it down. She know I hold it down.